What's up, YouTube? Thanks for clicking on the video. I'm just going to show you my trading recap of today. It's January 3rd, 2025. Happy New Year. Yeah, so last night, not a very good night. I just kind of jumped into the market, not really knowing what I was doing, even trying to plan. So this trade here, I was trying to set a stop and ended up buying two more contracts. Um, I guess selling two more contracts because it was a short position. And after I saw that I doubled my position, I just got out of it, market canceled, and sold at, whatever the highest bidding price was. So, yeah, these three trades, it was rough. I shouldn't have been trading. I was down $700 on the night. So, after that, I was just like, whatever, I need to start fresh in the morning and see what we can do. So, this morning was really good, had some great moves. I only lost one trade, and it was basically a break-even trade, so it's pretty good to gain everything I lost yesterday and also have a green day today. So this trade here, I can kind of go over what I was seeing. So had the overnight highs up here. I was thinking this whole area was like a liquidity zone, just to having stops above this or something. So once we traveled down, we hit the 210s, bounced back up. We did that like 5 times actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess that was a breaking one, but I was like, all right, well, if the market can hold the 21 200s, it probably can continue to go up, and if it fails, it'll probably go back down to like yesterday's lows down here. I'm going to put this on the 5 minute so it's kind of hopefully a little bit clearer. Where did I take my trade? It's probably over here, yeah. So, where did I put it? Oh, there it is. Okay, sorry. A lot of candles. Maybe I shouldn't have it on the 5 minute. Let's go down to the 1 minute. Refine where I placed my trade. There's where the market is now. Okay, so we hit up into the zone a little bit, and we had this rejection candle right away. My cat is in my face. It's not cool. Go away. I'm trying to record a video. I can't talk as it is. So anyways, yeah, so we had the rejection candle, came back down. I ended up jumping in here. I had a 10-point stop with two contracts, so I was willing to risk, $400. Hopefully to go down to like the 200s was kind of my target with this trade, but ended up, so since I'm under the trailing drawdown, I'm trying to move my stop into profit as much as I can without like not letting the trade work out. So I was up 20 points, which is $800, but I didn't close the trade. I moved my stop down to the 38. So I entered the 2050s or the 250s and closed the trade at the 238s. So, and like I said, the reason why I do that is because I'm trying to, one, make up the loss from yesterday and also beat the trailing drawdown that I'm dealing with Apex. Because once we're past that, I think I'm going to let my trades kind of run a little bit more. Like this would have been a 25-point play, which I didn't really lose a ton because the market just kind of reversed up and just went away. So, yeah, that was the first trade I took. Nice trade to get me back to closer to break even. Where did TradeZella go? There it is. So, yeah, and then this one I went long. Apparently I don't know how to do this. And I'm glad that I got out very quickly because the market reversed. The candles lately have been crazy. They've just been jumping everywhere. Like I'm used to, I feel like trading is moving so much more now. I don't understand why, but like this candle from the 63s or from the 329s down to the 63s, and that's a 2 minute candle. That's just crazy. I guess a 1 minute candle is from the 80s down to the 10, so that's a 70-point move right there. That's just nuts. So anyways, yeah, I tried going long here for a break. This was market open. I wanted this just to continue going up, and then got quickly, not really quickly, stopped out. I took profit, I think once. Maybe I just sold both. No, I sold both. I wanted this to break through the 400s and then just keep pushing up, kind of like what it did over here. Not very clean, but like you can see, I guess maybe it did. So it did break the 400s, and then, I mean, if you would have just held the trade, that was a 90-point play. So, but yeah, anyways, I'm back to green. Kind of a struggle, but not really. I was a little disappointed with this trade. This trade, I'm not sure why, but Apex kind of exited it right away. So I was long from the 51s right here, and I had like a 10-point stop or something. So this for some reason is not very clean on TradingView. The 51s at 10:01. Let's try to find it. 10:01 from the 51s. Okay, so this, now I remember. Okay, so I had this kind of trend line-ish going across here, and I was like, all right, well, if it can hold the 345s, maybe we can push up to go higher. So like I said, I entered like 251s right here. I had a 10-point stop, so I was willing to risk $400 for this trade. And I mean, this trade would have worked out amazing. My target was to go up to, you know, to the moon basically. And for some reason, I wish I would have recorded the trade. It just exited me right away. And that would have been a huge, huge day, because from the 350s, I mean, it went up to the 400s with no problem. So that would have been really nice to catch. $2,000. Oh well. Didn't want to chase it after the move was happening. And like I said, if I need to start recording the trades, I don't know why I don't do that, because I feel like it would kind of show my thought process a little bit more, and you can kind of see how wild the candles are if you're not trading. But yeah, anyways, we're green on the day, plus $175. We made back everything I lost yesterday. It's pretty sad. 53% win rate with a profit factor of 1.52. My Zella score's 35.5. Oh well, we're up in the account. I think that's all that really matters. I'll probably take a lot of trades and then lose most of them. Hopefully with small losers, and then, like I said, the big winners that I'm not trying to go for, but you know, just trying to scale out of my position. I'm trading 2 minis most of the time. Yeah. Anyways, it's been a great start to the year. Hopefully you guys can have a good weekend. I'm going to try to post more daily content, just to try to get the views up and try to gain like a community. Hopefully you guys enjoy these. Yeah, just want to grow this account, kind of show you my thought process through the trades. I will try to record the trades more as I do this, but I'm pretty happy. I made back everything I lost yesterday, plus a little bit of profit, because I could have continued trading after I was up in the green, but I was like, you know what? Since we had a really bad night last night, I'm just going to call it quits here. And especially after losing that 50-point play, I don't know why, but Apex, like I entered the trade on Tradovate, and then it like immediately canceled me out. So not really sure why it did that, because this trade would have been like a $2,000 trade. Oh well. Happy with today. Like I said, it was a good movement day. The candles were absolutely crazy. Pretty much did exactly what I said it was going to do for the market. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to get better at this YouTube stuff. I'm not very good with like explaining things. I feel like I'm just mumbling most of the time, but hopefully you can kind of get an idea of what I'm doing and how I'm trying to trade, and like the zones that I'm looking at and everything. But yeah, we're up to 50,000. I'll show you the actual account, so that way you don't think it's just like TradeZella fake trading. So PA Apex account, 50,713. We're up $175 on today, and my drawdown my trailing max drawdown is $2,400. So pretty good trades. This is not real, kind of real, but not real, since it's counting the previous day. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button to keep updated on this account. I'd love to request a payout at the end of January, and kind of just see what the market can give me. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.